Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change default card on Google Wallet. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to unlock your Android device and tap on the Google Wallet app icon to launch it, which I have done here. On the main screen you will see your saved card displayed here. So swipe through them to find the card you want to set as default. I don't have any card to show, that's why it seems like my homepage is very busy with a lot of things. So go ahead and find the exact card that you want to set as default. And once you found it, tap on the card you wish to make a default payment method. Tap on it and it's going to take you to a page where you find all your card details. Now, once it brings up the card details, in the top right corner of your card details page, go ahead and tap the three dots menu icon to access additional options for the selected card. So once you tap on that, it's going to display a drop down menu. From the drop down menu, select set as default payments method. From the drop down menu, select set as default payments method. A confirmation message will appear indicating that this card is now your default for contactless payment. So to ensure the change was successful, go ahead and return to the main screen, which we have here, and your default card will now be labeled accordingly, confirming that it is set for future transactions. Now I'm going to walk you through some pro tips. If you're using a device with NFC enabled, setting a default card ensures quicker transactions at contactless payment terminals. You can change your default card at any time by repeating the steps I've walked you through and selecting a different card. Now, ensure your device's software and the Google Wallet app are up to date for optimal performance. And that's it, you have successfully changed your default card in Google Wallet, ensuring smooth and secure transactions. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.